Hey everyone, my name's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and today I'm going to be going over a Divi tutorial, and I'll be using the Divi 3.0 theme here in this tutorial. And in this tutorial I just wanted to go over what I'm going to cover before you actually dive in and actually start going through this tutorial. And I'm also going to just go over each part and show you the site in a little preview. So here's what the home page would look like. We have this logo up here, which we'll go over how to create, and then I'll show you how to make this transparent menu here that you can see through here and change the color of the text for this header and add these pages in as well. And then we'll go over how to add this image and this text over the image with this arrow that we can click on, and it will drop us down to the next section, which is the Our Team section. And here I'll go over how to add these images, where you can actually find free high quality images that you can use anywhere. And I'll also go over up here how to create a fab icon and change this text as well if you would like to for your website, and add these little images here, these little icons next to the text as well. And then I'll show you how to make this cool effect here with this bar graph going up, and add text as well over here, and change the background color as well from each section. So you'll see it has a white section here and it goes right into this gray section. Now if I click on the pricing tab, it'll bring us to our pricing page. And on this page here we have a nice pricing table here, and I'll go over how to edit this text, edit the dollar size here, the dollar amounts, and add different photo categories. And this is a mock photography website. It doesn't really need to be about photography. You can pretty much make it anything and use this as a reference as you're going through. And I'll show you how to basically gray out these areas and also add a strike through to show that they're not included in a package, and that with this big package it would be included. And this would be a link to maybe your PayPal or payment page as well. Now if we go down, we can see this testimonial section, and we can add this as well. And I just have some dummy text in there, but this will show you what customers are saying about the products on the pricing page. Now if we go over to this blog page here, we're going to see this grid style layout for these blogs, and I'm going to go over how to create this grid style layout and use a plugin that will add this date in as well as the category that it would fall under. So most of these are uncategorized. You see this one says animals for the category. And if we actually click on the post, we'll click on where it says post 6 to go to it. And then we're going to go over a lot of different things within the actual blog itself. So there's the large image. I'll go over how to make header 1 text, which is right here, this large text, bolded, italicized. I have an image that you can wrap the text around. I'll show you how to make a link, like this one will go to Google. And I'll also show how to use a block quote, a horizontal line here, horizontal row. And if we scroll down, there's a way to change text. I'll go over how to do that. I'll go over how to embed a video within your post. And I'll also show how to disable or enable the comments. I currently have them disabled here at the bottom of this post. And there's a lot we go over in that little blog part of the tutorial here. Now if we go to the contact page, I actually show how to make 2 different styles of the contact page. One using a pre-made layout that Divi already created themselves that looks very good, and then I show how to make this one as well, this contact us, with this image with a darker overlay over it so the white text pops a little more. And then this basic dummy text here on the right for this and the contact form. And I'll show how to round the corners of these if you want a more rounded form. You can edit this form entirely, make it totally different colors, add a CAPTCHA here so they're required to fill out that, and basically reduce the amount of spam, and then how to have it submit so it actually goes to your email address. So if this looks interesting to you, I just wanted to go over a couple more things. There are a couple costs involved in this. Since this is a premium theme with a Divi theme, you would need an Elegant Themes membership, and I'm going to have a 10% discount coupon in the description below for that you can click to get it at a lower rate. And I'm also going to go sign up for hosting within this tutorial as well, because to have our website live and on the internet we need to have hosting, and I'm going to give a coupon code for that as well, and that will also be included in the description below. So if you already have hosting and you already have an Elegant Themes membership, you can probably just skip over that part. But if not, those would be required to actually go and make this website or make something like this website and use this as a reference. Also within this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to use the visual builder, which would be the front end builder that comes within the 3.0 update for Divi, and also how to use the default builder or the regular old builder that's in the WordPress dashboard for Divi. And then I'm also going to show how to add links for your social media icons and how to change the size of them if you want, and remove the footer text that normally comes here within the theme. So there's going to be a lot that I cover within this tutorial, and I try to do it and be very straightforward and not beat around a bush, not waste your time. And each module that I go through has a purpose within this tutorial. So if you're really interested in diving in and trying to learn WordPress with a premium theme like Divi, then this could be the tutorial for you. And if you run into any issues along the way, you can always reach out to me in the comments below. And if you're watching this on Udemy, you can reach out through the comments section there, and I'll try my best to get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.